Annuity and pension. Many of the Indians are becoming old, and many of them are retired from earning income, maybe employees or entrepreneurs, anyone. They are retiring from their regular activities and they expect the passive income from the investment they have made during the period of their earning as well as savings. So this annuity pension is expectation of all majority of the senior citizens who are constitute around 30% of Indian population whose age is more than 60 years age. So all these people are considered as senior citizens. They expect, they doesn't want to take risk, and they expect the fixed income as annuity or pension on investments, on their investments without risk. That's the most important they expect is they doesn't want to take any risk. So that is the main expectation of senior citizens who constitute around 30% of Indian population. So who will provide this annuity and pension facility to the investors? Majority of this is being done by insurance companies, especially life insurance companies. They collect premiums from the policy holders as savings and insurance coverage. See, earlier what was the concept of insurance was means before 25 years or 30 years back. Insurance companies were considered as the scope for savings with insurance coverage. But now, after recent developments in insurance sector, many people are investing. People are going for term policies rather than life insurance policies. Means they wants to pay the premium and they want to be covered by insurance coverage. It is not the insurance will not be considered as savings option. So what's happening? The savings option should be provided to the what the seniors should expect is there should be option for savings and investments so that they will get annuity or pension based on their investments made. So now the insurance companies are also selling products assuring the senior citizens annuity and pension for a period as prescribed or on continuous period until the death of the policy holder. Now the focus on annuity and pension products is being undertaken by the insurance companies because the aging population is increasing in India. To drive long-term growth, many insurance companies are assuring index guaranteed annuity plan and also divide variable annuity offerings. With rising longevity of human life, limited social security coverage, growing awareness around the need for stable post-retirement income, pension and annuity concept is becoming more popular among the senior citizens. This pension and annuity investments constitute around 18% of the total life insurance industry. This segment is growing faster because of the expectations of senior citizens. Annuities offer sticky, capital efficient business, require careful pricing and hedging discipline. These are the most important aspects required for the insurance companies which are offering annuity and pension to the senior citizens. There is a growing demand for long-term retirement solutions. This is the most important aspect which is required. A 50-year-old consumer paying premium for 10 years with a 60-40% split between guaranteed and variable components and starting annuity at 60 could receive a higher initial payout than under a fully guaranteed insurance plan. So what is expected is a person who is at the age of 50 years, they're expecting is they're paying premiums for 10 years and they're converting their total savings for total premiums paid for 10 years into 60-40 means 60% for guaranteed portion of investment and 40% for risk coverage means risky taking investments so that their annuity and pension are not affected and their income resources will not be disturbed. And everyone expects the senior citizens. Everyone expects the passive income. Maybe it is rent, interest, dividend. Means they are in a position to senior citizens in a position they expect they are in a position to get the monthly fixed amounts based on their investment without taking risk and without taking risk and disturbance of their source of income. That's the most important thing. That means they expect safety of investment, income on the investment, and liquidity option also. Whenever they need, they may be in a position to liquidate the investments or liquidate the savings portion. That will make them more comfortable. And also, everyone, any very senior citizen who has contributed to this annuity and pension schemes expects that he wants to die rich. He doesn't want to die. He doesn't want to live on the support from the society or from the government. They want to live with respect on the base of their own savings as receiving income as annuity and pension. So this is the main concept of annuity and pension being expected by the senior citizens, and the adopted means the policies adopted and implemented by most of the life insurance companies. What is why the situation is coming means many people, many policy holders are opting for um, term policies rather than life saving policies. The many people now the trend has changed from life insurance savings to savings, and during the entire life period or maximum period of savings. Now they are shifting for term policies, means their insurance coverage only limited to the period on which the policy is taken. So this is the shift from this is a major shift. This is a major shift happened from the previous generation to current generation of the people.